Hello, this is Brad, and I'm going through Oomlaut's Experimenter's Guide for Arduino. This is project 11, and in this project we'll be looking at how to control a relay with a transistor and turn on and off lights. So here I'll plug this in. And right now it's just switching this relay in and out and turning on and off various lights. So the circuit here, we have set up power and ground to both power and ground buses. We have power to each of the first sides of the relay, and then the second the selections here are the outputs of the relay. So when it shifts up, it will select this, and then when the coil shifts, it will then send power to the second light and turn the first light off. And power is through both sides there, and then the coil is up here, and we're controlling the coil with a P2N2222A transistor. The emitter here to ground. The Arduino board here, we were wired to pin 2, is sent to the base through a 2.2 kilo ohm resistor to bring the 5 volts digital output down to a voltage manageable by the transistor. Then the collector here is wired into the first side of the coil, and we also have power to the other side of the coil and a flyback diode to protect the coil when it switches. And then each of the LEDs here is buffered by 560 ohm resistors. And then we'll look at here's the code. This is just a slightly edited version of the blink code that we used in one of the original projects. And this file examples basics and blink. And now we'll go through here. It originally was set to pin 13, but I changed it to pin 2, and the name is slightly changed. So basically just the board sends power, turns the pin 2 high, delays for a second, and low for a second, and as it does that, the transistor sends power, either sends power or cuts power to the relay, which switches the relay and switches the lights.